Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. Welcome to a rainy day vlog. In today's video, we'll be harvesting green bell peppers, also delicious lemon thyme. Oh, look at that broccoli. I'm gonna have to come back and get that. The squash is coming through. The leaves are taking a real beating out here. No spider, sorry. My eggplant is trying to grow here. You cannot live here. There's another one growing there. Got two. The more you harvest, the more they grow. So we're going to take these young and tenders. Isn't that beautiful?
And tender.
Young and tender. Play that theme song.
She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick better state that.
Harvesting these because I want the plant to continue to push out more fruit. There's some buds and blossoms here, so we want them to do their thing. All right, let's go up and grab this lemon thyme. I got time for time.
Yeah, check. She don't follow, she lead. She planted, she grow it, she live what she speak. OCD chick. She don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
Yes, let's get this beautiful thyme. Let's share some benefits. What are some medicinal benefits? Lemon thyme shares many of the same health benefits as regular thyme, but it also has some unique qualities due to its distinct flavor and aromatic compounds. Both are rich in antioxidants and vitamins like C and A, supporting the immune system, vision, and skin health. Let's go in and give it a haircut. Lemon thyme is especially known for its citrusy scent and flavor, making it a great addition when cooking seafood and poultry. We're going to preserve these in a brown paper bag and let them dry naturally. I find that I'm not using my humidifier machine as much. Its lemony scent is also used in aromatherapy for its uplifting qualities. Who needs uplifting today? Because right now I can come out to my garden and harvest fresh. In the winter, I won't be able to do that. So what's drying in my brown paper bags will be ready to use in the winter. That's how I see it. What I'm drying in the brown paper bags is not something that I am planning on using immediately. Nothing right now. So I just let it dry naturally in a brown paper bag. It's easy peasy. I don't have to plug in my dehydrator machine. I'm just looking around to see, just doing a plant check to see what needs me, what needs my attention. I do see a blushing tomato here. So anything blushing, I'm going to take. I don't want these plants thinking, I don't need to grow any more fruit. My work is done. Sister, your work is not done. I want them to keep producing. This is what I want. There's another one. Let's pull out these sweet peas. They have done a tremendous job, but it's time for them to go. I'll plant again in, maybe I'll start some more in August for fall harvest. I'm gonna miss them. I am going to miss them. Yeah, definitely gonna miss them. We will replace it though. We'll pull these out too. The last of these. I'm going to try to leave the roots in the ground because it releases nitrogen in the soil, so we're going to leave the roots in the soil. The peas are gone. We can plant something else here. After your herbs have dried in a brown paper bag for long-term storage, use airtight glass jars or metal tins to store your dried herbs to protect them from air and moisture. Store your herbs in a cool, dry, well-ventilated space or cabinet. Always do your own research. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Elock Nation, I hope you got something out of this video today. I'll see you in the comments. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.